Hello guys, we're here again in IAU dorm. We're the Hooded Boys,
Dormitory.
and he's Otenciano, and of course, yours truly, Mount Ganon, and of course, our cameraman. Just call him Makabalig Oten. Anyway, this song is still another best rock. This goes out for all the Korean pussies that we know in school, especially to and of course,
And?
we love children.
Yeah,
Anyway,
definitely.
this is Chineta by Assembly Language. 1,
Uh,
2, 3, go! Ako karon nag-eskwela, daghang classmate nga amiga, puwerte pa yun iyang upaha, may mistisa o Chineta kay lagi, estudyante. Pirmi yun sa library, abili mo nag-style, ay pantay sa mga Hinday, nagpabisaya kung laway, hingod sa matahong panawahay. In love jud ko sa classmate ko nga Korean, kanindot siya mo po. Labi na kung musta siya sa akuha.
Chismax ka na do.
Chismis to the mac. Go.
That's all?
Oh, that's all. Mana to?
Mo ba?
Mana to?
Oh, greetings.
I would like to again to greet all the Korean pussies,
Thanks.
especially to
Our sponsors,
our
Abayabas.
sponsors.
Abayabas.
Sponsor, no, sponsor. Habayabas. Habayabas.
One question. Di na mo na tayo.
Sinama ko na tayo do. Nato sa gawas mo to sandugo do.
Baba.
Anyway, once again, yours truly, Mount Ganon and Otenciano, and your
And
cameraman,
I'm...
Makabalig Oten, Mr. Makabalig Oten.
Naipakapindo.
Ay, natin tayo, bonus video from our cameraman. This is Makabalig Oten. Mo kini. Thank you. Daghang salamat.